see if he falls out. Yeah, he hit the grill. Y'all remember what I told y'all about redbirds and mulberry trees? And that mulberry tree's down below me here. This old rooster redbird here, he won't leave me alone. He's up there. I seen another squirrel down there. When that air rifle went off on that squirrel, I believe I killed that squirrel. He went to the right over here. Sort of thought he might try to get back in that mulberry tree. It's hard to see that mulberry tree. It's down there though. But these squirrels was in another mulberry tree before. Shit, they may go through 5 or 6 in the morning picking off what's ripe and hauling ash to the next one. Yeah. A female and a male redbird. If I can get him in that camera or not. Well, he's a pretty thing, boy. A big old rooster. The old Kentucky State bird. A lot of birds right here around this tree, moving in and out. They ain't quite ripe good yet, boys. Old squirrel eat 'em red, though, sometimes. And ain't got much around here to eat. We're gonna slip down here and see if we can pick this squirrel up. I don't think there's that many squirrels in this area. This is an area I've hunted very little. I hunted a little in here last year. That's it. On this man's farm here. It's not a very big patch of woods either, boys. Old Junior got that head lit up there, boys. That old Zen slug, it pops loud when it hits, boys. See if I can get on this squirrel. Can you see the head? Ain't gonna get no shot on him, boys. We'll have to wait. There he is right there, I believe. It's gonna be tough. Let me turn this camera off. That's it, boys. 1-inch gray squirrel, one shot, one squirrel. I think I've seen 4 total. I've seen the same squirrel twice.